Yeah, anything. Every pretty penny bring another pretty penny, but a penny still a penny. Swing low, sweet anything, sweet everything. Never a feather friend, meaning that I never sing. Dumb shiny radiator.
Yeah, we're gonna fucking watch a nasty ass video that Jill Enjoy watches.
I ain't gonna watch it. They're gonna watch it.
He's gonna watch it. He's stunning.
I ain't
Sucking
watching.
dick.
I'm gonna be over there. Ah, wait. You guys can watch it.
As one man, one jar,
One screwdriver.
Oh, hell no. Fuck that.
Fuck yeah, click that shit. Cause y'all can watch it. Oh, that shit looks legit. Oh, fuck.
You gotta watch. Come on. That shit looks legit. It's his own website and shit. What the fuck? Is this video like?
You press play.
Fuck you. In the nose. Fuck.
This is actually
This is gonna be a big
legit,
ass
dude.
You are demons. I think the only thing you'll taste today
Welcome to
is
the
your own
largest
blood.
adult dating website.
What the fuck is it? Oh!
Wait, what is it? Why is he doing that?
Oh god.
Is that a skeleton? Why is he fat?
Oh! What is he doing?
I can't believe you made me watch it. I can't believe you made me watch it.
What the fuck is he doing?
Fuck that shit.
What the fuck?
Like ketchup.
Why would he do that?
That was the back part of the screwdriver. Why? This guy's got issues. What the fuck? You guys got issues.
On a bread game, but they still beat me. I'm getting dirty money like I was Israeli. Slave name Vasquez, rap name AD. Cool in front of that, somebody pay me. I do dumb raps, dumb shiny daily.